Have you ever pondered the allure of being your own boss? What if the road to achieving this independence was simpler than you imagine? Welcome to the world of proprietorship, a business model that thrives on simplicity and personal control. Proprietorship, or sole proprietorship, as it is often called, is the simplest form of business structure where the business is owned and run by one individual. There's no legal distinction between the owner and the business entity, which means the proprietor owns all assets and profits, while also bearing the full responsibility for any of the business's liabilities and debts. In the bustling markets of India, proprietorship holds a special place. It is particularly appealing due to its minimal regulatory burden. You see, starting a proprietorship doesn't require the red tape often associated with other forms of business registrations. This simplicity makes it an attractive option for new entrepreneurs who are eager to set sail on their business ventures with minimal interference. Moreover, the taxation system for proprietorships is quite straightforward. The income of the business is treated as the income of the individual, making tax filing less complicated. This is a significant advantage, especially in a country where navigating the labyrinth of tax laws can be as complex as the plot of a Bollywood thriller. But the benefits do not end there. Proprietorship offers a personal touch to business, which is highly valued in the Indian market. The direct connection between the owner and the customer fosters trust and loyalty, a currency of its own in business. This can lead to more personalized service and a deeper understanding of customer needs, driving repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. Additionally, decision-making in a proprietorship is swift. As the sole decision-maker, the proprietor can respond quickly to market changes or customer needs without the need to consult with partners or a board. In the fast-paced Indian market, where opportunities sometimes appear and vanish in the blink of an eye, this can be a crucial advantage. In conclusion, the simplicity and personal control offered by proprietorship make it a formidable business model, especially suited to the entrepreneurial spirit of India. It allows individuals to establish and grow their businesses with fewer bureaucratic hurdles, provides a straightforward tax regime, and enables quick decision-making. For many aspiring entrepreneurs, proprietorship is not just a business model. It's a pathway to personal freedom and success in the competitive Indian market.